Hey guys, so nothing beats a nice sponge applicator pad when you're applying a wax, a sealant, even a coating. It allows the product to be saturated properly and spread it quite nicely. The microfiber applicator pads, they do have their place, but just remember that the microfiber was meant to remove. Its job is to take off as much as what it can, or absorb as much as what it can. But if you're applying, let's say an all-in-one, something that's going to have a cut, a little bit of cut, a little bit of filling, a little bit of adding protection, then a microfiber towel or microfiber applicator pad will work best. But let's say you run out of these things, or they break, or something happens, you can actually make your own temporary one. I'll show you guys how to do that now. Now this section determines how big it's going to be. It's going to look like a mitt. You fold it over like that, and then what you do is bring it over, and then again like that, and then you fold it over. So now you guys can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to bring it over like that. And there you've got a makeshift applicator pad. And the nice thing about this is it's quite, it's got quite a decent amount of padding. So if you're gonna need to press down and spread the product quite nicely, it is quite beefy. Obviously it's not going to be anywhere near close as this, but as I mentioned, if you need to, let's say you forgot to buy this, or it breaks or something, then this is quite a nice and nifty trick to be able to do. And we all have these towels laying around. I recommend that you use these small little ones, the 30 by 40 or 30 by 30. The bigger towels, you can definitely use them, but then it's too big. So as I mentioned, you could even do it like this. You can fold it over like that. Move it over here. And so now it's a lot more longer, if you want to have that amount of surface area. So you can definitely play around in terms of how long you want this. I'm gonna call it the makeshift mitt. Can be, but it's quite a nice trick to have it just in the back of your mind, just in case you need to use it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys have been doing this. I came across someone that did it, and I figured, let me show you guys. So I'm not the guy that invented this. I just saw it as one, and I figured I'd show you guys as well. But let me know what you guys think. All right, cheers.